Okay, so just follow this one step and trust me, this video is going to be far better than any course you have taken. So what are the action steps? It's really simple. Just don't consume corn. No matter how hard the urge comes, just don't watch any of the corn content and even soft corn, okay? Which is available on Insta, YouTube, Snap or any other platform. It could be like this stuff, where these types of women just wear short dresses and move their body in different directions. It could be like any directions, okay? Then what to do when the urge hits? Just go for a walk or sit with your family or just go out for a walk without your phone. You could do anything. Just be away from this thing as much as you can. Just don't watch it, okay? Also, most people would say it's weird and gay to use blockers and all of that stuff, but I would 100% recommend you that use it. If it is helpful, just use it and just follow the steps which I have already told you, and that's all. Just do these three things. Don't watch porn. When the urge comes, switch the task and use blockers, okay? Just do these three things. Also, I do one-on-one coaching. I have helped many guys quit this addiction in weeks or either months and help them have a desexualized mind. If you're interested in coaching, then check the description and you can book a call for more details. It's a paid service, so yeah, that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you, and also take care of yourself, brother, okay? Because this life has a lot to give you, and don't be a loser or average fuck, because you are like far better than that, okay? If you have like completed this video till here and you have like watched the whole thing and just you want to like implement it and you just want to like be the better person, you are not a loser, okay? You are better than all of them. So yeah, stay safe. I will say this again, take care of yourself and take care of your family and be safe, okay?